How to fix Apple TV box keeps turning off, power settings, and auto sleep fix. To fix an Apple TV box that keeps turning off, adjust the sleep after timer to a longer duration, or disable HDMI CEC conflicts that allow other devices to shut it down. This behavior is usually caused by aggressive auto sleep settings, external smart home commands, or hardware overheating. Fix 1. Adjust the auto sleep settings. Open the Settings app on your Apple TV. Now click on General and scroll down to select Sleep After. Change the timer from the short 15-minute or 30-minute default to 1 hour, 2 hours, or never. Note, selecting never keeps the box away indefinitely, which is not recommended for OLED TVs due to screen burn-in risk. Fix 2. Stop HDMI CEC device conflicts. First, navigate to Settings, then go to Remote and Devices. Now scroll to the bottom to find Control TVs and Receivers. And toggle this settings to off to stop your TV or soundbar from controlling the Apple TV's power state. Separately, open your Smart TV setting and disable its Eco Mode or Auto Power Off features to prevent the TV from shutting down and taking the Apple TV with it. Fix 3. Resolve remote and smart home glitches. First, check the Siri remote. A falling or dropped remote can cause the power button to short circuit. So clean the power button area or try unpairing the remote for 24 hours to see if the random shutdowns stop. Next, audit HomeKit automations. Check your Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad and ensure you do not have an automated scene like a goodnight trigger scheduled to sleep your media center at specific times. Fix 4. Check hardware and power instability. First, prevent overheating. Ensure your Apple TV is not stacked directly on top of an audio receiver or confined to a tight, unventilated cabinet. Clear the bottom vents of dust to prevent thermal shutdowns. Next is to bypass smart power strips. Do not plug the device into energy saving surge protectors that automatically kill power to secondary outlets when the main TV screen goes dim. Then plug the Apple TV directly into a wall outlet. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.